do you catch the next upcoming trend over the next 3 to 5 years and ride the wave so you can invest profitably? Due to the current situation, there are many structural changes in consumer patterns, and that has transformed how businesses are being done around the world. One such structural change, for example, is that retail buying behaviors are gravitating towards online rather than physical retail stores. So in order to catch this upcoming trend and profit as an investor, you should be looking at e-commerce companies that are growing rapidly currently and over the next 5 years. And do you know that other than Amazon, there are many other under-the-radar companies in the e-commerce space that are growing at 30% or more a year? So what are some of the upcoming structural change that will provide you with massive investment opportunities? Okay, the answer is 5G. So 5G have created new business models that have never existed before, such as Internet of Things and autonomous driving and many more. So if you wish to profit from the massive 5G opportunity, you need to know what are the 5G companies that are growing currently at breakneck speed. There are 5 new trends that we have identified over the next 10 years, and we will be revealing all these companies and the other 3 upcoming trends at our next update session. So if you wish to find out more and how you can profit immensely as an investor by riding the above new waves as early as possible so as to gain an unfair advantage for yourself, then be sure to click on the Learn More button below and join us for our next complimentary webinar. Due to the webinar platform capacity, we allocated 100 webinar slots. So seize the opportunity today and you will be ready to invest correctly in the right waves and build a sizable retirement nest egg for yourself and your family. So for this month only, we are also giving away 2 special bonuses for those of you who actually sign up. So the first bonus over here, as you can see, is 30 Singapore profitable stocks, okay, to invest for dividends and capital appreciation. And the second bonus that you will receive is you will get private access to our Telegram private community where more stock picks and trading ideas will be shared. So once again, click on the Learn More button below to secure your webinar slot right now.